How to block internet access for specific applications on Samsung. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are about to provide you with some methods that we can follow up to do so. So let's get started without any delay. So one of the things that we can do is we can use Samsung built-in data control. Go to settings for that. And once we are in settings, we need to go over to the section for connections and tap on it. And within connections, we can look out for the option called data users and tap on it. After we tap on data users here, we should be finding different options. We can look out for the option called mobile data users and tap on it. And within here, we can select the application that we would like to want and turn off the background data users. So go ahead and wait for this section to load up first on your screen. And once it loads up, you can look out for the application that uses the data more, and you can just go over and turn off this option called allow background data users and allow data users while the data saver is on. This limits the internet but may not be fully blocking it. Apart from that, we can also turn on the data saver. So find data saver option and tap on it. After that, just go ahead and look out for this option to turn it off and turn it off, or you can turn this option on as well. That will allow to use the data only while the data saver is on, and you can disable the application that you want to block, and now those applications won't use the mobile data at all. And Samsung does not fully block Wi-Fi per application by default, so we need to use a firewall application. You can use any third-party applications for that in order to do so, and the application will be having a zero internet access. But for now, I can just go and follow out this method. These are the solutions we can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.